People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan people, wagwan once again, people. Thank you guys for tuning in as usual. Big up in yourself, people. So that one are coming out of Trelawney, people. I remember I did an article or a video probably a month ago talking about predial larceny in Jamaica, where thief go in there and thief farmers produce and them animals, them goat, them cow, them chicken. You see me, I say, people, this has been going on in Jamaica for a long time. But some good news to the people, where a farmer chops gunman to death, people. He said a Trelawney farmer who chopped one of two alleged gunmen to death after they attempted to shoot him in the presence of his common-law wife is now being praised as a hero in his community for his bravery. The dead man has been identified as 34-year-old Sidane Galloway, otherwise called G-Dog, unemployed of Mayfield District in Granville, Trelawney. Reports by the police are that about noon, the 45-year-old farmer, who is also a coal burner, and his common-law wife were on their farm in Green Park in the parish, attending to their coal pit, when they were approached by Galloway and another man. Both men allegedly brandished handguns, and Galloway reportedly informed the farmer that he was sent to kill him. He then walked over to the couple when the farmer, who had his machete, chopped Galloway in his upper body. The wounded man and his crony ran off, but Galloway collapsed a few meters away, while his crony managed to escape in bushes. The farmer summoned the police, and upon arrival, Galloway was discovered lying in a pool of blood with a chop wound to his neck. He was transported to hospital, where he was pronounced dead. One resident in the community told the Star that the farmer is very brave for his quick thinking, because his action saved his own life and also that of his spouse. The police have indicated that they have the identity of the other gunman, and he is currently being sought. So you see, me say, people, like, this is definitely good news coming out of Jamaica upon that one. I'm not gonna lie. The man I feel say them can just go and kill honest, hard-working individuals, people. You see me? And this is the end result them are gonna get. This is the end result we want for them, people. You can't go out there and kill honest, hard-working people for what them have. Go look a hobby, go find a skill, do something. Leave people and them hard-working job alone. The man them wake up a morning time, gone pan them farming and thing, I know want just go rob and kill the man. But he was sent for kill. How can you kill somebody? Did you give life for you to be taken life? Me love them results, kind of people. Me love hearing these results coming out of Jamaica. Drop it in the comment section. Let me know what you think and your opinions, people. Alright?